Hey guys, this Achievers of the channel. Every achiever is better to be here. These are the questions we're going to deal with today. The questions are very tactic. So do what you do. Let's dive into the question, bro. So the question actually ranges from 1 to 6. Those are the questions. Let me take you through it. Now we're solving number 1 question. And number 1 question says 40% divided by 20%. What will be the answer? So let's go. Now 40% also means the answer was given, and the answer was 200%. Well, calm down. How did they get the 200%? That's something we need to find out. So now solution. 40% divided by 20%. I'm simply repeating the question. Yeah, you can see I'm repeating the question. So 40% also means 40 divided by 100, and the divide which is also there, 20 divided by 100 means 20%. So now, 40 over 100 will be written down. Then the sign will change to times when 100 go up and 20 go down. So you can see times 100 over 20. So 100 and 100 are the same. Cancel it. 0 and 0 are the same on the other side. 2 going to 2 and 2 going to 4, 2. So we have 2 left. Then now 2 times 100, which is a percent. Now watch 2 times 100, which is a percent. So what will be what? 200, which is the answer we got, and we asked to find how we got it. So now this is all about question 1. Now let's dive into question 2. Ta-da! So now question 2 question is the square root of x is equal to 16. What is x? So now we need to look for what s means, and we're given that s is equal to 256. So let's see how they got that though. Then now the square root of s equals to 16. When the square root of x is equals to 16, to remove the square root, you remove square, and when square, the square root goes as square root, x will left over. Then 16 raised to power 2 will give you 256, and that was how they got the 256. In case you are in exam 4 and you're wondering how this is being solved, follow method. This is number 3 question. I'm going to be doing it. Third question, which is 3 questions, said we should simplify when 2 ratio 4. Simplify and and we're given that the answer is 1 ratio 2. So let's dive into actually this solved, so you can get your answer when in the exam 4. Now 2 ratio 4, when 2 going to 2, 1, 2 going to 4, 2. So now the answer is 1 ratio 2. That's the way they got this answer. So you shouldn't find it as a difficult thing, because math is always easy to anyone who need to understand the basics. So this is number 4th question. Let's dive in also. Number 4th question says that x over 2 is equals to x over 6. What is x? So, and we're given that x is equal 1. So let's dive in to see how they got 1 initially. The solution. X, repeating the question, x over 2 is equals to 3 over 6. Now we need to cross multiply, so we can get, by cross multiplying, we have 6x is equals to 3 times 2 is 6. So now we divide both sides by 6 to make sure that x is alone, but they said we should find x, not 6x. So now dividing both sides by 6 will mean that x will be 1 definitely. So this is how they got 1 as the answer. Hey guys, this is number 5 question, the last but not the least I'll be solving. So the number 5 question says that s squared is equal to 16. What is x? We always use x as y. So now the answer says it's 4. So how did I get it? So now let's see how we do it. Solution. Repeating the question like I always do. X squared is equal to 16. So now x square, which is written there, will need to be square rooted so that we can remove the square and have x there. So square rooting is square rooting, that's what it is. So now x is the square root of 16